Yeah, very big. Yeah. Okay, now we got a good parking here. Thanks God, we got a good spot on the way. So now we're gonna go to the Rincon Park. Then we go to lunch. Okay, now we can view the Barrage Bridge. Bear Bridge. This is the Bear Bridge. You see? Very nice. This is the Rincon Park, right? One of the famous parks in San Francisco. Wow, very cool. Okay, now we can see here. Wow, Rincon Park, Rincon Park. This is also very famous landmark to visit here. Yeah, this is San Francisco City. Look. Very nice view. Yeah, these are the main San Francisco City. You see here Main Street. All right. Very good tower. Nice buildings. San Francisco City. Yeah, very nice. Beautiful. Now we are looking for lunch. We found one, but there is no good food. So we try to have a nice food. I don't know we will get it or not. We'll see what happens. Yeah, very nice. Very quiet, not much people, not too much traffic. This is actually what we need in every city. Wow, this is very famous, right? Very famous building. I don't know what's the name. And nice building. They're all different styles.